Hi, welcome to this video. How to know or how to check if someone hacked your WhatsApp account. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and open the WhatsApp on your phone, right? And all you gotta do is just hit the settings or U at the bottom, right? And find the linked devices, okay? And basically, you can look for a list of active sessions with device names, locations, and last active times. If you see a device or location you don't recognize, right, tap the device, okay, and hit log out immediately. Now, next, monitor for suspicious activity, right? Hackers often leave traces, okay, of their activity in your account. Watch for these red flags, maybe unfamiliar messages and calls inside your chat, profile changes, like maybe your profile picture is changed or different, right? Bio or display name that you didn't initiate, unsolicited group ads in your chat, right? Maybe you are added to some random group that you're not aware of, whatever. Messages marked red, seeing unread messages from your contacts already marked with blue ticks or opened. And watch for security alerts, unexpected verification codes. If you receive an SMS verification code or push notification saying someone is trying to register your number without your request, it means someone is actively trying to hijack your account. Never share this code with anyone. Or force logout. If WhatsApp suddenly asks you to re-verify your phone number, it often means someone else has successfully registered your account on another phone. So make sure to enable the two-factor authentication, right? So go ahead to the settings, right? So let me find settings and go ahead to account, two-step verification, and make sure that you turn it on. So just type the 6-digit number so you can remember and confirm, of course, your PIN. Okay, so let me type it again. I go back. Hold on, done that. Right, and basically now you're turning on the two-factor or two-step verification. You can turn on security notifications, right? So go ahead to your settings account, right? Security notifications. Make sure that you show security notifications on this phone, right? Enables alerts so you're notified when a contact security code changes. Recover your account. If you've been logged out, re-register your number by logging back in and entering the SMS code you received. This automatically logs out all other sessions, okay? So for additional insights and science, you can check user discussions on Reddit or review expert advice from security providers like Kaspersky or Bitdefender, okay? Experts at Forbes also highlight that poor phone performance can sometimes be subtle sign of compromise. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.